We have BTC.com, which is the last presenter. BTC.com. It's coming up.
Okay. I'm the last one. Jen from BTC.com. I just want to say it's really my pleasure to be here, as the sponsor to do this closing remarks. About BTC.com, I just want to, talk about a little bit and share information about our 3 products with you guys. BTC.com, the world's leading provider of data pool and wallet. We are a group of people interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency. We are professional, international, and creative. That's why we can do a great job. And our product, as I mentioned, there are 3 products now, and the most famous one is the mining pool. As you know, we are now the #1 mining pool in the world for Bitcoin, but we also support other coins. You can see here, and we're gonna support more coins in the future, which we think will be valuable. And people keep asking me why you guys could be the #1 and keep this rank more than 1 year. I think there are 4 reasons. The leading technology, the beneficial settlement mode, top-class service, and the perfect age. About the technology, I think it's easy to understand. The top secure because the user's assets are here. We have to ensure their security and the multi-node deployment to solve the problem about the stability of network. And we are the first one and also the only one to share our backend code in GitHub, and many pools has used our codes to establish their own pools. And the benefit settlement mode, this is important for our customers. We all know the block reward has 2 parts, the Coinbase part and the transaction fee. Some pools just share with the first part, the Coinbase reward with their customers, but we share both parts with them. And also we use PPS to deal with both the 2 parts. What does this mean? This means you don't need to worry about the risks, just like lucky number stuff. Your earnings will be based on your hash rate, the percentage of your hash rate on the network. You will be paid always highly and stably. And the 3rd reason, I think, is the top-class service. We always treat it seriously. You can always find us through all these channels, and we are available for 24 hours, And also we create our own assistant tools to help our customers to make the mining, more efficiently and more effectively. Our 2nd star product is the Explorer. It's kind of a public website. You can use it to get all the information about your transactions and the information about the chain network. Here's the picture. Sorry, it's Chinese version, but we support 27 languages here, so you don't need to worry about language stuff. Here you can see it's the ETH and it's the Bitcoin. We also will support more coins in the future, just as what we are doing in the pool. And our 3rd wallet product is the wallet. The wallet, we have these features. You can see the multi-signature, the private key backup, the random addresses, immediate transfer. All this is guarantee your security. And also, you can use this wallet to buy Bitcoin with your credit card. This is the service only offered in North America and Europe. And this is what we are doing now. And in the future, we're going to do something new, just like the financial business. And we also may be as an investor to invest some valuable projects. So if you have any good ideas and good resources, projects, just contact me here. And if you use WeChat, just scan this code, and also here's my number and my email. I will be always available online. And yeah, in the end, I just want to thank you to BlockTake, who has offered this great platform to make us together. And I believe all of you guys have joined a wonderful day and get the information you want. And yeah, there's a party of this meeting, and I hope you join it. And let's meet 2020. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.